All right, Colin Amos is with us here from the law offices of Goldberg Jones, Divorce for Men. You can call him for a free consultation, 1-800-DIVORCE. We got some celebrity law here before you roll out. Scorpions drummer James Kottak claims his ex-wife is an alcoholic who isn't fit to raise their 15-year-old son, but she says the rocker is lying in a pathetic effort to reduce his child support payments. Now, a couple of questions that come from this, and I think this is something we're all curious about. How is substance abuse handled when it comes to custody cases?
Well, first of all, the woman he's talking about is Tommy Lee's little sister. So I could not believe that Tommy Lee or his sister could ever have substance abuse problems. But aside from that, in these cases where there's allegations, you can get the family court services involved. You can get an evaluator involved. You can ask the court to order drug and alcohol assessments. They can do hair follicle testing. They can do UAs, things that, not just he said, she said, but we can get to the bottom of it. We can also get custody evaluators to say what's really happening here. And I suspect that that's certainly going to happen in this case.
Well, I think this is a great example, too. And I know a lot of times you hear guys talk about how, you have an ex who's, throwing out wild accusations. But the bottom line is, even if you're not the best father, you still have a right to see your children, right? I mean, you have to be pretty egregious in terms of your errors and being a complete moron or being a very bad person to be forbidden to see your kids, right?
And what I hear all the time is there's these allegations that come out. You're such a bad father. You're an alcoholic, or you do all these things. And the first question I ask the guy is, has your wife or girlfriend ever left you alone with your kids? And the answer is, yeah, she leaves me alone all the time. She goes out, she's gone. Then she really can't say that you're that bad if she's going to leave things that, the children who you cherish most alone with you as a dangerous individual. It's usually used as try to manipulate in a custody case or a divorce case where there's really lack of credibility with the allegations.
All right, Colin Amos from the law offices of Goldberg Jones, Divorce for Men. If you need a consultation, if you want to talk to Colin, if you have questions, if you're facing a custody battle, or possibly a potential divorce, 1-800-DIVORCE. Colin Amos from the law offices of Goldberg Jones. Colin, once again, a terrific job. Too bad you can't step in and try and negotiate with these refs in the NFL to get something done with these guys.
Yeah, I'm a Hawks fan, so it worked for me last night.
That's awesome, man. Colin, thanks for your time. We'll catch up with you soon.
All right, thanks a lot.